Hey guys, my name is Anchal Veg and I'm here to give you a full moon special pick a card reading. So, this full moon is in the sign of Scorpio, and Scorpio is very intense when it comes to emotions, when it comes to uh, feelings, when it comes to dealing with your shadow self. So, all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from number one or the green aventurine crystal. You can choose number two or the fluorite crystal moon, or you can choose the number three or the amethyst crystal. So, we are going to see what energetic shift is coming your way soon after this full moon. So, for those who have chosen the number one, let me see the message. Okay, I'm just feeling that it's time to let go. Like, I don't know why, but I feel for people who have chosen the number one or green aventuring, like, it's time to let go of something or someone that is not working out, some past regret, something that maybe recently happened. You need to release, you need to surrender. I'm also feeling that the more and more you are grounded, the more you will receive freedom, balance. The spirit animal of horse, unicorn, is going to play an important role. It could also represent traveling coming your way very soon. Like, I think some of your big manifestation is also coming through, but for that you have to let go of certain people or certain situations in your life. You need to release. Colors white and blue are really standing out. Spending time in nature is coming to my mind. Being around trees, being around nature, healing, mother earth. Maybe you are an earth sign who's watching this, but I just feel that surrender so that you can have your peace and you can have your freedom. Like, that's the main message I'm getting for this Scorpio full moon for you. So I'll be moving on to number two now, or the crescent moon. Let's see. Okay, I'm feeling for people who have chosen this number. You are very anxious about something, and I'm just feeling that it's time to take a break or take rest. Like, release your cares to God. Maybe you can write a letter where you release all your heavy feelings and burn it, or put it in a bowl of water. I'm also feeling that you need to take more rest, sleep more. You need to let go of control. Like, I'm just feeling that let go of control in some area of your life. I see that there's a lot of magic around you, even if you might not notice it. There's a lot of protection, there's a lot of power protecting you. I feel that the universe has your back, even if it might not seem like it. You are going to be given what is worthy of you. Anything that is not worthy of you is going to leave your life. Anything that is not worthy will feel heavy, but you will only be giving what is meant for you. And sometimes that means that you will have to say no, and there will have to be boundaries that you have to learn about certain people or certain situations. I don't know why, but red is really standing out. Maybe red is a good color for you right now. It will empower you. Fire energy is really coming in my mind. Maybe you're a fire sign, but work with fire. Like, I feel that you need empowerment and you need to heal yourself right now. So, for those who have chosen the number three or the amethyst, let me see. Okay, I'm just feeling like a love message coming over here. I feel that you need to work on self love and healing, or something in your love life is going to shift very soon. A lot of love is coming your way, maybe through your friends or through your partner. A new love could be coming in for certain people, but I feel that for it to come your way, you need to first start loving yourself. Like, whatever love you are giving outside, you need to heal your heart chakra. I also feel that spend some time daydreaming. Night is significant over here. Look at the stars, dream a little, maybe watch romantic movies, romanticize your life. Like, I'm just sensing this message that romanticize your life. Lavender is really standing out in this reading. Like, surround yourself with the lavender color, calm yourself, be in your natural divine feminine energy. Even if you are a guy or any other gender, this just means that you need to just be in this energy of receiving rather than continuously giving out there.